focus last minute to send my message. I love the Filipino people. I want to serve you in any way I can. If we want to improve as Filipinos, we should love each other, be kind to each other, forgive each other, magmahalan. Ngayon, everyday in social media, fighting, fake news, attacking, clickbait. Pati ako, ginamit nyo pa sa fake ads nyo. I will say it. I am not endorsing any product. Why are you not fighting? I am fighting them, but they're just so many. How can you put down all these scammers? I'm not endorsing any product right now. No meds, no nothing. Wala po. Hindi akin yun. They just use my face. Why don't you sue them? I cannot sue them because they are anonymous. They are from abroad. Who am I? I don't know if I will still be alive tomorrow. I will always say, gusto ko tulungan yung nasa probinsya, yung mga mahihirap, because that is my reason to live. Hindi ako aktor. Papakita ko sa iyo ba lab records, acting dito. Maraming basher dyan, sasabihin, actor daw ako. Gusto ba kamay? Ano ba gagawin ko? Kita nyo katawan ko, lupay-pay na. Ryan, please get this. Katawan ko. Oh, Dok, dami mong tip. Nagkasakit naman. Sorry, tama na magawa ko. Malalaman ko ba magkakakain? Maraming salamat po. Pasensya. Pinakita ko to, baka sabi nila nag-aarte-arte lang ako. Hindi po. I will show you everything. Thank you so much. I hope you are well. I love you all. Thank you very much.